think I told that to you guys already. So, happy Valentine's Day again. Oh my gosh, my hair. So I am just going to be doing, oh my gosh, I'm super excited. Super excited. Okay, so a couple weeks ago, I think maybe a month ago, I don't know. I got a package. It was on my desk. And the package was from a very great company. They are very good with cases and everything like that. So it was from Lux Addiction. I know many of you, a lot of people on YouTube, like maybe like 1,000 people on YouTube. Not even 1,000. The whole YouTube knows about this. But I got a package on my my desk when I came home from church. So I was like, oh, hallelujah. And it came with a box, but I threw that away because I don't think you want to see a box. Of course it comes in a box. Hello, Asher. They gave me this little bag. It's like, it's really cute. I love this bag, but it has lace on it. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? Oh yeah. So yeah, inside, let's open this bad boy. But yeah, inside, it came with, actually it came with one of their cards. It looks like this, Lux Addiction. And in the back, it has like pictures of phone cases, of different types of cases that they make, and they custom make all their phone cases, so you can like order them online. I'll put the link in the down bar, but I'm sure you heard about this website because who hasn't? You know what I mean? So what they do is they custom make all their phone cases. Either you can choose from some of the stuff that they made already, or you can custom make your own. Like you can ask them to put this on it or to put that on. If anything, I want a Beamer license plate on my phone. Wait, why would I want a license plate on my phone? And it also came with these little studs, extra studs in case some of them fall off or anything. And then, onto the main attraction. Okay, this is the case, and it has 3 stars on it, as so. And it came with this zebra little thing right here, and it's black and silver. And then this is the front. It has 2 diamonds right here, black diamonds, and then over here is a 1 heart diamond, and then this is like a pearl. This is actually my iTouch. This is not my phone. I wish it was my phone. I really want an iPhone, but this is what my cover looks like. It's very shiny and blingin'. I'm gangsta, boo. About this case, there's a story behind it. I picked one of the cases on there. I forget the name. I'm so sorry if I forget. But I picked this phone case cover that was on the listing, and I'll put it on the down bar if I find it. And what I asked them to do is I wanted something zebra on it because the original one didn't have zebra on it. So I asked them, could you put something with zebra on my cover and maybe a Chanel sign or something, you know, Chanel baby. They didn't have Chanel, so they said no to that, but they put my stars, which is the main thing, and my zebra. I love those too. I love zebra, I love stars. Yeah. They put that on my case for me, and it's so beautiful. I have been loving this case. The only thing that might have bothered me a little was two stars came off of my phone case. I'm really sad about that, but I'm just gonna glue it back on. One is right here, it's like a little star, and then a little other star came off over here, but that's okay. I'm just gonna glue it back on, but I wish it stayed on longer. It's just that kind of sucked, but I love this phone case. Whenever I bust this out, seriously, I get a lot of compliments. I get a lot of people saying, girlfriend, where you get that case, girl? I'm like, oh, I got it from Lux Addiction, girl. Lux Addiction, yeah. So yeah, I got this from them, and it's so wonderful. I mean, the only thing that I had to get used to was these big stuff in the back and these 2 big diamonds in the front. I had to get used to it, but after a while I got used to it, and I'm like, bam, 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 bam. So yeah, ooh, Facebook message. You got mail. You want to see my friends? I'll show you my friends. They're hot. Here you go. These are my friends on my iTouch. Yeah. And then you want to see my two best friends? They're pretty awesome. They're pretty awesome. Rachel and Maddie. So if you want to check them out, go ahead to their website on the down bar and you can, did I just say down bar? Check them out on down there, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. I really love this company. This company is bomb, okay? I have something to tell you. I recently bought rollers. I got one in, I think this is 2 inches. Oh, I think this is a 1 inch, I believe. And I recently watched Heather123's. Oh, she's one of my other favorite gurus. I love watching her videos. She's so exotic and pretty. But anyways, yeah, so I watched her tutorial on a Valentine's Day bouncy curls, and I actually did my hair like hers, like how she did it in the tutorial, and it really changed the way my hair looks. Like seriously, like the way she curls her hair is like amazing. So I curled my hair and then I put in these rollers. These I got like 3. These actually from the drugstore. I got 3 rollers in the 2 inch, and then I got 3 other rollers in the 1 inch. And I basically just made volume in my crown, like this part right here, and it made my hair really voluminous up here, which is good because I cut my hair so I would have more volume. And so it made my curls really bouncy and curly, as you can see. It's kind of like relaxed now, but looks like that. And so it's really shiny. I'll put her tutorial in the down bar and tell me what you guys think, because I love this girl. These rollers I am obsessed with, so you expect to see this in my monthly favorites. So I hope you guys are having all a great day, and that is all for my review that I'm going to be telling you about. So yeah, check out all that stuff in my down bar, and yeah. So I'll talk to you guys later. I'm so sorry. I'm really hyper, and it's just I love doing reviews. So I hope you guys all have a great day, and happy Valentine's Day. I know it sucks for all the single people like me or whatever, but it's whatever for me. Like I don't really care anymore. You should be happy, you know, in Valentine's Day, no matter what. You know, don't be sad that you're single. It's not a bad thing. Being single is not a bad thing. Being single is something that you should cherish. But once you have a boyfriend or girlfriend, it's different. You need to learn how to be able to be comfortable with yourself, by yourself. You need to be comfortable being able to be single and independent. So when you do get in a relationship, you know how it feels like. You know what I mean? You know how it feels like to be with another person, and you know what both worlds are like. You know what I mean? So that's just my little quote for you guys. So love Valentine's Day. Don't hate it. Even though I may say it sometimes, I hate Valentine's Day, but I don't. Deep down, I don't. Yeah. So have a great Valentine's Day, and don't be negative, stay positive, because with positive thinking comes positive results. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye! I love this phone case. I mean, not phone case, iTouch phone case. I mean, there's no such thing as an iPhone iTouch case. Or what did I just say? Anyways,